Imagine waking to a world where every drop of ocean water is gone. The seabed, unseen for millions of years, now lies naked under the sun. Where life once flourished, silence and dust now reign. The seas retreat, leaving cities staring into a lifeless void. Hidden volcanoes wake, spilling heat into a sky they've never touched. The frozen seas crumble into silent, alien deserts. Millions lose their livelihoods in a single tide that will never return. The deepest places on Earth become graves under an unforgiving sky. Winds lift the ocean's bones, choking the air for miles. Without the oceans, even the world's great lakes begin to fade. The deepest scars of the planet now lie bare, revealing life forms never meant for the surface. Salt from the vanished seas poisons the land and air. Rivers that once fed the oceans now die under the unrelenting Sunday. Without the oceans to buffer them, the planet's last ice walls collapse into dust. Entire cultures vanish with the tides that once sustained them. The ocean's beauty turns to dust, carried away by the wind. Coastal populations flee inward, searching for water where none remains. History long lost beneath the waves now lies in the open air. Industry collapses as the oceans that fed it vanish overnight. The exposed heart of the earth breathes into the open sky. Without the oceans to regulate climate, deserts grow unchecked. The planet's coldest places thaw, releasing the ghosts of ancient climates. Tourism vanishes, replaced by silent graveyards of steel. Water becomes the new gold in a world stripped of seas. Wildlife that once thrived collapses under the weight of thirst. The last sources of fresh water dwindle in the mountains. Old pathways return, connecting continents across dry ground. Civilization adapts, claiming the bones of the sea for shelter. The deep Earth's heat becomes a lifeline in a waterless world. Humanity clings to the few places where life can still thrive. The seafloor turns into the largest desert the world has ever seen. Mountains rise where waves once rolled. Life adapts, evolving to survive the frozen scars of the sea. In the deepest shadows, evolution creates life no one could imagine. Humanity remakes the seabed into a new heartland. The ocean's monuments stand as fossilized forests of stone. Energy from the planet's core fuels a new era of civilization. Humanity takes root in the bones left by the vanished tide. the last cradle of life, encircles a planet forever changed. From space, our oceanless world looks still, yet every grain of dust tells a story. In time, new rivers carve scars into the bones of the sea. Ice gives way to life, reshaping the poles into new frontiers. The ocean's monuments become the temples of a new world. Life blooms in the one place the planet still breathes. Springs rise to reclaim parts of the ocean's empty throne. From the dust, intelligence rises again. The deepest places evolve into worlds apart. Mountains rise from the seabed, crowned with forests unknown to history. The oceanless Earth becomes a stranger in the universe it once knew. And in that moment, they wonder if the sea was ever real at all. In a world without oceans, memory becomes architecture. And from the cold silence of space, the ocean's absence is the loudest truth of all.